Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel, and if you're always have been here, welcome back. So this week for this nail tutorial, I am going to do a flame checkered flag nail tutorial, as you see in the thumbnail. So if you're ready to check this out and interested to see how you do it, go ahead and sit back and relax. But before you do that, go down below and subscribe to my channel, and also give this YouTube channel a like, and hit that green notification bell twice so you'll be notified for all the videos that I do. Then like this video, and then share this video because it's gonna be awesome, so you're gonna want people to see. And yeah, so thanks so much. Let's get started with this video.
You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh.
Okay, you guys, let's get started with this flame checkered flag nail tutorial. So to begin, for all the nails, you're going to want to paint each one of them white. And you want to put 2 coats of white on all the nails. So on the index finger, middle finger, and pinky, we're going to start with those and put the flame part of this nail tutorial. So we're going to do first the ombre part to make the flame color. So we're going to start with yellow at the top by the cuticle, then down to a darker orange to like a coral, pinky coral color at the bottom. And we're going to use those 3 colors, and you want to use the makeup sponge wedge to give that ombre color. And you can, it depends on how opaque you want it. To get it nice opaque, it might take 2 or 3 times. It depends on the colors and all. So yeah, do that first. So after you got the ombre done on all those 3 nails, you want to put the quick drying top coat on those 3 nails. And once you have that on, you're going to want to begin with the flame shape, and you're going to use a black to apply that flame shape on the whole nail. Once you got that flame shape, leaving some of that orange and yellow and coral color out, as you see, I'm going to color the black in, obviously. After you do that, you're going to want to make the flame black area matte. So I'm going to use a matte finished top coat for that. So you're going to move on to the checkered flag nails, which is going to be the wedding finger and the thumb. The checkered flag is pretty easy. You already have a white base, so then you want to draw vertical lines and horizontal lines with black to make boxes throughout the whole nail. Then you're going to want to, like a checkered board, every other one, and then you want to skip between the different ones that you did the row before to make a checkered look for the flag. And you're going to fill those squares in with black, and so some you leave in for white, and yeah, then that will be the checkered flag. Going to put a matte top coat on the flag ones as well, but you can also just do a quick drying top coat like the Pro Effects High Gloss quick drying top coat as always. So once you're all that done, your nails are pretty much done because you already got the top coat and everything. So yeah, there you have your flaming checkered flag nails. So you guys, what did you think about these flame checkered flag nails? I mean, it's pretty cool. I never did it before, and I just really like doing them. And yeah, so I hope you liked it. Go down below, give me a comment of something. If you haven't already, as before, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the great notification bell twice, and then like this video, share this video as always, and I appreciate everything that you do. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.